Hi everyone, in this group of videos I'm going to be looking at differentiating when we have negative powers. This should be a fairly short exercise to do because it really just works in exactly the same way as the other work we've done so far. So I'm not going to provide an example of differentiating with negative powers when using first principles because it's just the same rule that applies. We do need to have some knowledge of our index laws, so we need to know that if we have a to the power of negative m, then that is the same as 1 over a to the power of m. If we know that index law, then we're all set to go. So I'm going to be applying that in doing a question like this. Differentiate h of x equals x to the 4 plus 5 over x squared minus 2 over x cubed. So first off, the derivative of hx is going to be h dash x. Even before I do that though, what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to write this in a format that I can use. So the x to the 4, well that's already good, so that will just stay the same. Then we've got 5x to the negative 2. So the x we have 2 moves up to the top and we make the power negative. And that's going to be minus 2x to the power of negative 3. So now I can actually evaluate this and say that h dash x is equal to 4x cubed. Now that's going to become minus 10x to the negative 3, and then it's going to become plus 6x to the negative 4. And I honestly wouldn't just leave it like this. It's kind of impolite to leave an equation with negative powers. So, the thing that we have to do, sticking with a bit of mathematical etiquette, is to make these powers positive again by moving them back into the denominator. So it's going to become 4x cubed minus 10 over x cubed. So only the thing that belongs to the power moves into the denominator, and then plus 6 over x to the power of 4. And we're done.